Y'all, if you like to see how I got this super cute low sleep ponytail with curly extensions, then just keep watching my video. Okay, y'all, so as mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be using curly extensions for this low sleep ponytail. I'm using the Kinky Coily collection hair in the texture Kinky Curly in 22 inches, and this is what it looks like after it's been co-washed. Like I mentioned in my last extension video, Kinky Coily collection no longer exists. I know that sounds pretty weird, but I'm sure y'all can find extensions that look just like this anywhere on the internet. So yeah, but to start off this style, I'm going to take that bun out. As you saw, split my hair in half, spritz this side of here with water, and detangle. I started with my paddle brush, and then I went into my wide tooth comb so I can actually get it, through my hair, because it was a little tangled at the roots. And then I'm gonna go back with my paddle brush and just go over it, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that my hair is fully detangled, I'm going to take this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner and use a generous amount and apply that all over my hair. And I'm applying it in sections. So I'm going to do this section first, and then I'm going to do the next section.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
So now that my hair is fully detangled and fully moisturized, I'm going to take this little oil blend and apply that to my hair to seal in my moisture. So now I'm about to go in with my paddle brush to fully distribute all that product, all that oil, all over my hair. And now it's time to part my hair for this low sleep ponytail. So I took my comb, took the end of it, and just did a side part. And I'm just making sure it's straight now. And then I'm going to go in with my paddle brush to start brushing my hair all the way back. I went in with my paddle brush first just to make sure I'm detangling as I go. And now I'm just further smoothing everything out with my comb. It's kind of a wide tooth comb, but not really, it's a good comb to do this with. So now I'm going to take my gel, take a little generous amount, and just start putting it all over my head, because I want this style to be very sleek and very smooth. So as you can see, I'm just putting more on there and just spreading it all over. So now I'm taking my hard bristle brush and I'm smoothing my hair back. This is what's going to get it super smooth. So hard bristle brush is major key to this bomb style.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
So now I want to take two ponytail holders to, tie my hair up. And I wrapped it around about 5 times or so. I wanted it to be nice and tight. So after tying my hair up, I started seeing imperfections that I wanted to fix. So I'm going in with my bristle brush, this comb, and just trying to smooth everything out. And after I somewhat get it fixed, I'm going to take my hard bristle brush, not my hard bristle brush, my paddle brush, and detangle the back of my hair. And as you can see, it was still a little messed up. So what I did was I took the ponytail holder off. I didn't show y'all that, but I took it off and I just smoothed the back very well, as you can see. And I'm just gonna tie it back up, but I did want it to be nice and sleek. So for the back of my hair, once again, I'm going to spritz it with a little bit more water, detangle one more again, and then I'm actually going to apply some more product, because the technique that I'm going to use to install the extensions, I guess you would say, is, I guess it's the wraparound technique. So I want my curls to be popping as well. So I had to apply some product, just detangle, make sure everything was nice and smooth, and that is how it was looking. As you can see, it looks a lot better since I fixed the back. But now I'm taking these extensions and I'm going to get a bobby pin and insert it to the end of the extension track. That's what it's called, the end of the track, and then just push it into my ponytail. And then, as you'll see in just a second, I'm going to start wrapping it around, and I continue to do that until there's no more track left. And once I get to the end, I take the very last curl at the end of the track and wrap that around the ponytail. I'm not sure if I focused on that. I didn't. But yeah, that's exactly how I got that. And as you can see, it looks really good. So now it's time for my edges. Y'all know how I do them. I do it in a swoop motion. Just use my fingers to hold it in place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After putting in the extensions and laying my edges, I added some more gel, as you can see, just to make sure everything was nice and sleek, because your hair can get a little messed up while applying extensions. And then I got a little bit more gel and just applied that to the top of my baby hairs. Y'all know I like to do that just to make sure they stay in place. Okay, y'all, so I really like this. I like this much more than I even like my last style. And this is how the back looks. I'm definitely gonna give y'all like a better spin around in a few minutes. After I do my makeup, I'm gonna give y'all a spin around, but I really like this. I love this. This is much more my speed. Like much more my speed. Like this is me. This is who I was supposed to be. I love this. It's so pretty. It looks so good. I sleek my hair down perfectly, so I feel just extra pretty, and this is just who I was supposed to be. Like, God, I guess he forgot to add thick hair to this blessing pool he was creating when he made me, but this is who I'm supposed to be, and I feel complete. So I'm going to be back in a bit with my full makeup and a spin around for y'all, so stay tuned. Like my last extension video, I wanted to insert my time-lapse video of me doing my little makeup, just so y'all can get a little extra content in these videos. If you want a makeup tutorial, let me know down below. I may have one coming soon. But yes, and then after y'all see this clip, you're just gonna see a quick little clip of me looking cute. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is my makeup and this is my hair. This is the final result. This is how my hair looks with the Kiki curly extensions. I really like it. As you can see, it's not completely perfect, but it looks pretty doggone good. I like it. So yeah, I just love my hair. It looks really good. So yeah. Then I'm also going to have, you know, my previous video linked down below, and it's already up top. It's already shown throughout the video. So it's up top and down below, my previous video using this same kinky curly hair, just a different hairstyle. And my next video will be another hairstyle, so just stay tuned. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. We're on a road to 200, so help your girl make that happen. I would really appreciate it, and I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.